Let's move to Pakistan, where the establishment thinks that the innocent Baloch students are bigger threats to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan than the globally designated terrorists like Hafiz Saeed and Maulana Masood Azhar. Pakistani military and intelligence agencies are abducting and killing Baloch civilians, particularly youngsters and college-going students. The silence of international organizations against the day-to-day enforced disappearances of these peace-loving students is a question mark. A report.
The footage of these Baloch students protesting in freezing temperatures is a slap on the face of those who want to suppress the voice of youngsters in Balochistan. In the cold weather of Quetta, where even sleeping in rooms nearby heater is difficult, these students are protesting in the open sky day and chilly night for their liberation. Protesters are demanding freedom from Pakistani atrocities, enforced disappearances and brutal oppression. These protesters are waiting for justice and demanding the safer recovery of their fellows who were abducted by Pakistani forces. Two Baloch students identified as Sohail Ahmed and Fasi Baloch were recently abducted from the university hostel. They both are residents of the Noshki district of Balochistan.
लोग आते हैं तालीम हासिल करने के लिए, पर यहाँ पे हम आते हैं अगवा होने के लिए, कत्ल होने के लिए। हमें इसी यूनिवर्सिटी में हमें अपनी इज्जत, हमारी इज्जतों पे हमला हुआ है, हमारे कौम की इस बच्चियों पे हमला हुआ है, इस बच्चों पे हमला हुआ है। यहाँ पे आपको पता है, कुछ महीने पहले यहाँ पे पश्तूनख्वा स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के एक मेंबर को, जाफर खान को, इसी यूनिवर्सिटी के हॉस्टल में जहर दिया गया। फिर पता चला कि इस जहर किसने दिया। उस वक्त भी आपके कैमरे बंद थे, पर आपके कैमरे तब चलते हैं जब आप हमारी बहनें, अब हमारी बेटियों की इज्जत पामाल करते हो, तब आपके कैमरे काम कर रहे होते हैं।
Fasi and Sohail Baloch disappeared several days ago, following which the students began their protest. As the negotiations with the authority failed, students belonging to various factions of Baloch student organizations locked down the gates of university and declared that they would not allow anyone to take their semester exams. The students paused the demonstration after receiving assurance from the government to recover the missing students. However, the government did not fulfill its promises, which forced students to relaunch their protest.
जिस तरह आप लोग जानते हैं कि बलूचिस्तान यूनिवर्सिटी हो या खुजदार यूनिवर्सिटी हो या आवारान का एक छोटा सा स्कूल हो, जिस तरह मिलिटराइज्ड किया गया है हमारे तालीमी इदारों को, मिडिल स्कूल से लेकर हायर एजुकेशन तक, आपको वहाँ पर फौजी छावनी मिलेगी, लेकिन ऐसा माहौल नहीं मिलेगा कि आपको लगे कि वो तालीमी इदारा है। वहाँ पर आपको बात करने का मौका नहीं दिया जाता, वहाँ पर आपको हॉस्टलों से लापता किया जाता है। अफसोस की बात है, इस दौरान ये सब हो रहा है, लेकिन हम मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया पर देखते हैं बलूचिस्तान का मामला, वो चाहे मिसिंग पर्सन्स हो, मिसिंग स्टूडेंट्स हो, या वो एक्स्ट्रा जुडिशियल किलिंग हो।
There is a long history of disappearances in Balochistan. Thousands of students and professionals have gone missing and are subjected to enforced disappearances by the Pakistan Army in response to the Baloch people's legitimate demand to exercise their right to self-determination. While thousands of Baloch have been kidnapped and disappeared since its illegal occupation, hundreds of others have been eliminated in the line of Pakistan's kill and dump policy. The innocent Balochs need the help of civilized countries who are against oppression, slavery, dictatorship and war crimes.